Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over a Gala. So Gala right now is trading at 0.0465. On the weekly time frame, we have seen Gala experience a significant pullback with this candlestick itself with heavy selling pressure. We have seen it in the last couple of altcoins that we do follow on the channel itself. So we are experiencing that pullback. Now, we were anticipating that bullish crossover here. We may see it going into next week depending on the recovery of this week. So we are going to see that heavy correction. Now we do see the price itself coming below the 50%. If we do close below our 38% itself, we can see that it is going to be a very steep correction, which may jeopardize this uptrend that we have for Gala. Going into the RSI here, we do see the RSI at 63%, and 63% is a very neutral. It can either go up or come down, but in this case, we are seeing very heavy selling pressure, so the price and the RSI is going to continue downwards. If we do see the RSI cross below our signal yellow line itself, it is going to trigger long-term bearish momentum, and we may see that cross and close below the 38%. Following the drop of the RSI, we are anticipating a MACD indicator getting smaller and also lighter in color, as we do see on the screen itself. So we're seeing that cooling off period, that correction in the next couple of days here. Hopefully at the end of the week, we do find a good area of support, and we're seeing that the volume picks up closer to the bullish side. But we are going to be following this day after day to kind of take a look at some of our indicators to see what may happen next. Now, going into the daily time frame, we were anticipating the price kind of consolidating going into that ascending triangle on the 4-hour time frame. However, we did see a cross above our immediate support of 0.056, but most importantly, this is going to be a high confluence area, which essentially just means that a lot of people are going to be watching this area to see if the sellers are going to be pushing the price even further down, or if we're going to find an area of support. So we're in between the 50 and the 38% of our Fibonacci level, but most importantly around our 20 moving average. A close below our 20 moving average may confirm a steeper correction closer to the 3 cents here, 0.036, as the 50 moving average would be treated as another cushion of support if the 20 moving average is broken. Now again, when we're taking a look at some of our indicators that we do follow, we see the RSI at 41%. This is going to go into oversold territories, which essentially is at 30%. However, if we do kind of scroll out a little bit, we can see in terms of Gala, we've had steeper RSIs where before the price rebounded. So around 10% in crucial areas, or 21%. So the price and the RSI right now currently at 41%. We do still have some drops to be made if the price is not going to be holding immediate terms. Now, if we scroll out in terms of finding areas of high support, we can see closer to the 38% or even a little bit lower than that. We can see a few of our candlestick wicks coming down closer to the 0.0387. So this is going to be treated as another cushion of support if price does not hold the 20 moving average here. Now, immediate short term for 4 hours, here was our kind of symmetric or ascending triangle. However, we did break through the 20 moving average, but key areas of our Fibonacci level. If the price continues to decline, then the price itself is going to come down closer to that 3 cents that we mentioned earlier on the daily time frame. So the uptrend itself, I mean, it does suggest that it is broken on the immediate short term for 4 hours and possibly through the next day time frame as well. So the bearish trend itself may continue. We do see some overbought, oversold signals here when it comes to the RSI. We are at 10%. But again, if we do close or scroll out further, we can see that the RSI itself has dropped closer to 6% or 2% in key areas of support. So taking a look again at the current price right now, we are at 50%. If we do scroll a little bit more, this area of 50% or the 0.046 hasn't really shown us a whole lot of area of support historically. It would be roughly closer to that 3 cents that we did mention earlier, which is around that 23% of our fib. But essentially that's kind of where we're seeing Gala is where the price is going to hold in terms of support. And if we do take out our volume profile, I'm just going to take out the fixed range volume profile, we can essentially see where the price found a lot of volume here. If it would actually work. Okay, I don't think it's working. That's a little embarrassing, but let's try again. So fixed volume, we're going to scan it all the way over there. No, let's try visible range. No, for some reason, I'm sorry guys, my volume profile is not working on this area. Probably the chart does not support the volume itself for this 4-hour chart, but typically I wanted to show you the volume in terms of the dollar amounts. Yeah, I do apologize. Sorry, you guys, but let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe as well. But I feel like this is just the start of this bearish trend or this bearish wave. And on the weekly time frame, it may be very crucial if we come down to the 23% of our fib, which is 0.032. It would confirm the overall reversal. But again, let me know what you guys see in your charts. Like and subscribe. But thanks for tuning in. Bye.